Communication barriers. Individuals with hearing or speech impairments may face communication barriers in legal sessions, especially if accommodations such as sign language interpreters or captioning services are not provided. This can hinder their ability to fully understand and participate in the proceedings. Addressing communication barriers. Provide sign language interpreters or captioning services for individuals with hearing or speech impairments to ensure effective communication during legal sessions. Use plain language and avoid jargon or complex legal terminology to facilitate understanding for individuals with hearing or speech impairments. Allow individuals with hearing or speech impairments to request additional accommodations, such as assistive listening devices or written materials, to fully participate in legal sessions. Consider using remote communication options, such as video conferences with captioning or sign language interpretation, for individuals with hearing or speech impairments who may find it challenging to communicate in person. Today, we will be discussing an important topic in the legal field: addressing communication barriers for individuals with hearing or speech impairments during legal proceedings. Communication is a fundamental aspect of the legal process, and it is crucial to ensure that individuals with hearing or speech impairments have equal access to effective communication during legal sessions. Individuals with hearing or speech impairments may face challenges in understanding and participating in legal proceedings due to communication barriers. Legal jargon and complex terminology can be difficult to understand for individuals with hearing or speech impairments, and lack of appropriate accommodations may hinder their ability to fully participate. So, what can be done to address these communication barriers? Let's explore some solutions and training programs that can be implemented. Provide sign language interpreters or captioning services. One effective solution is to provide sign language interpreters or captioning services for individuals with hearing or speech impairments. Sign language interpreters can facilitate communication for individuals who use sign language as their primary means of communication, while captioning services can provide real-time transcription of spoken words into written text, allowing individuals with hearing impairments to follow the conversation. These accommodations can ensure that individuals with hearing or speech impairments have equal access to the legal proceedings. Use plain language and avoid jargon. Using plain language and avoiding complex legal terminology can facilitate understanding for individuals with hearing or speech impairments. Legal professionals should strive to use clear and simple language when communicating with individuals with hearing or speech impairments, avoiding jargon or technical terms that may be difficult to understand. This can help individuals with hearing or speech impairments fully comprehend the legal proceedings and effectively participate. Allow requests for additional accommodations. Individuals with hearing or speech impairments should be allowed to request additional accommodations that may facilitate their participation in legal sessions. This may include providing assistive listening devices, written materials, or other accommodations that meet their specific communication needs. Legal professionals should be open to accommodating such requests to ensure effective communication and equal participation. Explore remote communication options. Consideration should be given to remote communication options, such as video conferences with captioning or sign language interpretation, for individuals with hearing or speech impairments who may find it challenging to communicate in person. Remote communication options can provide flexibility and accessibility, allowing individuals with hearing or speech impairments to participate in legal proceedings without the barriers of physical presence. Provide training programs and techniques. Offering training programs and techniques for legal professionals on effective communication strategies with individuals who have hearing or speech impairments can be beneficial. This may include training on the use of sign language interpreters, captioning services, plain language communication, and accommodating different communication needs. Training programs can enhance the awareness and skills of legal professionals in effectively communicating with individuals with hearing or speech impairments. Listing various places in London to get help. In the UK, there are several organisations and resources that individuals with hearing or speech impairments can access for help. Some examples include the Royal Association for Deaf People, RAD. RAD provides various services for deaf and hard of hearing individuals, including information, advice, and advocacy on legal matters. British Deaf Association, BDA. BDA offers support and information for deaf individuals, including legal advice and access to qualified interpreters for legal proceedings. Action on Hearing Loss. Action on Hearing Loss provides support, information, and advocacy for individuals with hearing loss, including legal support and guidance. National Deaf Children's Society, NDCS. NDCS offers support and resources for children and young people with hearing loss, including legal advice and advocacy services. In conclusion, addressing communication barriers for individuals with hearing